back to another exciting episode of What is Your Hobby? In this tutorial, we'll be looking at all the basic patterns used in embroidery. And by the time we finish this tutorial, you'll have all the basic skills that you need to jump off for your first embroidery project. So let's dive right into the video and see what's in store for us. Hi guys, in this session we'll learn how to make lazy daisy stitch and split stitch. Starting off with lazy daisy. Lazy daisy stitch is nothing more than a simple loop arranged in groups to create flowers, combined in a line to make chain stitch, or work individually to create leaves and other numbers of variations. Let's learn this pattern by making a simple flower. But first, let's make a petal and then move on to the whole flower. So to start, bring your needle up through the fabric. Put the needle back in right next to where you came out. Without pulling all the way through, weave it up and out of the fabric a small distance away. Now take the thread and wrap it around the needle. If you've already learned the chain stitch, this method will be familiar. Now, pull the thread all the way through to create a loop. The tighter you pull, the narrower the loop will be. Moving on, we continue the process. Bring your needle up, put the needle back in right next to where you came up. Without pulling all the way through, weave it up and out of the fabric a small distance away. Take the thread and wrap it around the needle and pull the needle all the way through to create a loop. Anchor the loop by bringing the thread back down just the other side of the loop. Continue working around the edge of the loop until you have a complete flower. So guys, that's lazy daisy, and moving forward we have split stitch. So guys, the split stitch is a basic embroidery stitch often used for delicate lines and curves. It looks like a mini chain stitch when we do it continuously. And for this stitch, you'll pull the thread up and make a small stitch no bigger than a grain of rice. After that, you'll then come back up to the middle of that stitch and take it back down through the fabric a short distance away in a direction you are going in. It's best to keep your stitches pretty short when doing this, otherwise your stitches will look very messy and very disorganized. And we repeat the process. Pull the thread up and make a small stitch, then come back up through the middle of that stitch and take it back down through the fabric a short distance away in the direction we're going to. Again, bring it up, make a stitch, then come back up again, split the previous stitch from the middle and take it back down to the fabric. We do this till we reach the desired pattern. That's it guys. I hope that was really helpful. If you want to learn more cool patterns, go check it out on our website. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.